have a Honda Odyssey here or whatever kind of car you got, it doesn't matter. You guys can do this. Pop your hood open. Get you some antifreeze. Make sure that it's a good one. What I mean by a good one, there's some that are really cheap and mostly just like 80% water or something like that. This is a good one right here. When they cost about $12, $13, $14, it's a good one. Look for something that says engine coolant. This one is windshield washer fluid, and this one is power steering fluid. You got a dipstick here for oil. I'm just going over that because I can throw it in there for you guys real quick. Okay, you're gonna open up the engine coolant right here, and usually on the side, this is for any model you got, on the side there'll be some type of line or a level check. And this one is way deep in there. You actually see that little line right there. That's where it needs to be, and I'm down about an inch. I can't really get in here for you guys to see really good, but that's about the best view I can get. If you want to use a funnel, you can use a funnel. I'm not gonna, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And the reason I'm making this video is because my wife, who wanted to know how to fill it up, had no clue. And I said, come on, everybody knows how to do that. She said, no, they don't. You should probably make a video on it. So I'm doing that. All right, so next we're going to start pouring this in to there. Make sure we get it to that line we want it to get to. And it's not gonna harm anything if you spill it on your ground or anything. So I'm making sure I'm watching my level and recording for you guys at the same time, so you guys can see that clearly what's going on. I think I'm up to about the level. I'm at my line and I stopped. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is. Just make sure you close your cap and maintain your vehicle. That's the most important thing you could do to get a long life out of your vehicle. So thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up.